Ka samla Mewarica Pariat na North Liberty Higher Secondary School Mukurdum, kalawan hagakirdan kabashipau hak result Meghalaya Board of School Education Embos, jongka examen Higher Secondary School Living Certificate HSSLC balapun benah hak Saltrik Jemang. Ka Mewarica Pariat kalayo distinction habaro ki subject, but kalayo ru ya ka marks kabahetam hak subject geography. Halor ka jing job jongka, kalapun pau ka jing sngungu ya ublay, but kala ay ka jing hublay ka bakirpang ya u principal, kinong hikay, ki bahaying hasam ki badan barabor, hasanda ha ka ni ka jing akun ka jongka. Ka jing jied ya ka art stream kamlong ka basung, kumba ki beriu ki perkat ba ka art stream kamde ka benta ka babaha, ban jied, Hendry kalayay ne, but menta ka Sngewsarong ya ka rai ka baday jongka. Ka Mewarica Pariat katemu ban puli ya ka LLB, bat ban penkre ki examen UPSC. Kalapun shlore ki para samla puli, ki ba puli art stream, ban ngej haladi, ban yai IT, bat reshitam, bat ban kut jingmut scam, namar ka ni ka yalam syaka jingjom.
Overwhelmed with joy and gratitude. My heart is filled with gratitude, first of all, to God. I truly believe that with God all things are possible, and this success is the reflection of His grace and strength in my life. And I want to thank my family and friends for believing in me even though I doubted myself, and to the teachers. They did not just taught subjects, but they taught me how to be patient, how to think, and to be perseverance in my life. And I somehow expected to be in this position because I really work hard, and my gratitude goes to this institution for the guidance and facilities, and I thank all my friends for supporting me, especially my family, my mom, my grandma, and my sisters for their sacrifice and their love and their support. And choosing arts, it was not easy, as people thought that this stream was like not a very well path to choose, but to me I feel like I chose the right path, and I am happy to be here, and let's see how it goes. Yes, to pursue LLB, but I'm really not sure right now, and I'm really hoping I could get what I want, like pursue LLB and aim for UPSC exams and all. But my main aim is to be an MJS, to do it in the first try. Hopefully God will be with me like he is today, and I will get that. To my fellow young friends who are pursuing arts, I would want you to know that it's tough. The pressure from the teachers and friends and all, it's really tough, but you have to believe in yourself and put a lot of effort, dedication, hard work, sleepless nights, and you have to count on yourself and just believe that God will be on your side, and do well in your studies, and you will surely perform well.